Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you own a car or work with vehicles, you already know how frustrating it can be when the check engine light suddenly turns on. But here's the good news. With the right OBD2 scanner, you can instantly diagnose car issues, saving both time and money. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best OBD2 scanners in 2025. Whether you're a first-time user, a DIY car enthusiast, or a professional mechanic, there's something on this list that's perfect for you. Starting off at number 5, we've got the BlueDriver Pro Scan tool. This is a compact Bluetooth-enabled OBD2 scanner that connects directly to your smartphone via the BlueDriver app. What makes it special is how user-friendly it is while still providing professional-grade diagnostics. Once connected, you can view live data, read and clear codes, check smog readiness, and even access repair reports backed by certified mechanics. The interface is clean, smooth, and works with both iOS and Android. Whether you're trying to diagnose an engine issue or run a quick check before heading to the mechanic, BlueDriver gives you a powerful, wireless solution that fits in your glove box. At number 4, we have the FiXD OBD2 scanner, a perfect choice for beginners. FiXD is also a Bluetooth scanner designed to be incredibly simple to use. You plug it into your OBD2 port, sync it with your phone, and boom. It translates error codes into plain English. It tells you what the problem is and how serious it might be. It even recommends whether you should go to the mechanic immediately or not. One of the most helpful features is the maintenance tracking system that reminds you about oil changes, brake checks, and more. FiXD is especially great for people who want a no-fuss scanner that gives straightforward answers without technical jargon. Coming in at number 3 is the Autel MaxiCOM MK808, a tablet-style scanner built for professionals or serious car hobbyists. This tool does more than just read engine codes. It scans your entire vehicle system, including ABS, airbag, transmission, and steering components. It even supports advanced functions like oil reset, key programming, battery registration, and TPMS services. The large 7-inch touchscreen is responsive and easy to navigate, making it feel more like using a smart tablet than a diagnostic tool. The MK808 is compatible with over 80 vehicle brands and comes with 1 year of free software updates. If you're running a shop or maintaining multiple vehicles, this scanner is a beast. In second place, we have the INNOVA 5610, one of the most versatile handheld scanners out there. INNOVA has a solid reputation, and the 5610 model continues to build on that legacy. It offers full system diagnostics, engine, transmission, SRS, ABS, and more. But what really sets it apart is bidirectional control, which allows you to test individual components, like turning on the fuel pump or activating the cooling fan, right from the device. You also get live data streaming, freeze-frame snapshots, and real-time monitoring. The built-in screen is bright and easy to use, so you don't need to pair it with a phone. It even works with hybrid and electric vehicles, making it a future-ready option for modern garages. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the ANCEL FX2000. This scanner offers one of the best balances of affordability, features, and performance. It covers all 4 major systems, engine, transmission, ABS, and airbags, and provides real-time data with clear graph displays. What I love about this scanner is its ease of use. You don't need an app, there's no subscription required, and it works right out of the box. It supports a wide range of vehicles from the US, Europe, and Asia, going all the way back to 1996 models. For less than $160, the ANCEL FX2000 delivers everything you need for regular car maintenance, making it the best value OBD2 scanner in 2025. So let's quickly recap. At number 5, the BlueDriver Pro. Smart, wireless, and ideal for tech-savvy drivers. At number 4, the FiXD scanner, perfect for beginners who want simple, fast diagnostics. Number 3 is the Autel MK808, a professional-grade tool for complete vehicle coverage. Number 2 is the INNOVA 5610, powerful and advanced with bidirectional control. And finally, at number 1, the ANCEL FX2000, affordable, easy to use, and loaded with features. If you're in the market for an OBD2 scanner this year, these 5 options cover every type of user, from casual drivers to serious pros. Let me know in the comments which one suits your needs best, and if you'd like a full review or demo of any of these models, just drop a request below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you out, subscribe to the channel for more car tech reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, and drive safe.